Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the Windows Defender on your Windows. I'm going to share it to you two ways. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So Windows Defender is the default antivirus of your Windows, but if you want to install any third-party antivirus software and you want to disable the default antivirus, then you can do that. Now go to the Windows search bar, type security. You'll find Windows security under the best match. Then you have to click on virus and threat protection. You will find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. And if the real-time protection is enabled, just simply turn this off. Then for the next method, so you have to turn this off. Now this is for the temporary thing. And then for the next method is you can permanently. So go to the Windows search bar, type regedit. Click on register editor under the best match. Then here you just need to simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. Double click on the HK local machine. You'll find software folder, double click. Under software, we need to look for policies. This one, double click. You'll find Microsoft, double click. Do not worry, the path will be posted in the description section of this video. Scroll down and you'll find Windows Defender. Make a right click, select new, select the word 32-bit value. Now follow me for the value name. The value name is capital letter D, small isable, capital letter A, small nci, capital letter S, small pware. Disable anti-spyware. So do the same thing as what is shown on your screen. Disable anti-spyware, double click. Change the value data to 1. Click on OK. And then close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.